episode of Comfort Foods Kitchen, and today we're going to do a spicy ranch chicken dish, and it's going to be baked. I've got 2 pounds of chicken here. Some of it is some skinless thigh meat, and the other is drumettes, chicken drumettes, and chicken wings. And we're going to have, for our ingredients, salt, paprika, ranch. I'm using the dipping powder, the dip. You would normally make dip out of this, but I'm going to use it on the chicken. And some hot sauce. It's your preference of what kind of hot sauce you want to use. I have a flat pan here that I put aluminum foil, and I put parchment paper on top, and I sprayed the parchment paper with canola oil. You can use vegetable oil. Okay, so let's get started. With all of our ingredients, this is a very easy, a very fast dish. We're going to put a cup of the Louisiana, when I'm using Louisiana hot sauce. I'm going to use about a half a cup of that ranch. I'm going to use, this is a 1/4 of a cup, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to just mix all of this together. Yep, got to get down and dirty with it. I don't have to worry about this getting all in my rings. This is easily rinsed out, so don't have to worry about that. Okay, now I got my oven already set at 400 degrees. And also, it's going to cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. Folks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and push that notification button on the right side of the subscribe button. And I'll be right back with you. The chicken, replacing the chicken on a baking sheet. And I already showed you earlier how I had put the aluminum foil on there and the parchment paper. I had coated the parchment paper with some canola oil. As I said, you can use any type of oil you want to use. So we're going to put all this down here. Place it. This is about 2 pounds of chicken. And then find one little space for this one piece of chicken. All right, now what we're going to do is put this in the oven at 400 degrees. Mine is already set for 400 degrees, and we're going to let it sit in here for about 40 to 45 minutes. And I'll be right back with you. Welcome back, beautiful people. It's been 40 minutes. Let's see what the finished product looks like. Wow, isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so what we're going to do is take it out of that baking dish and put it over here onto our little platter dish. It looks really good. So, folks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. Share me with your friends. And ring that notification bell on the right-hand side of the subscribe button. You don't have to subscribe but once, but you have to like each one. There's no way you can't like these recipes. So this is it right here. And I'm going to set it over here on the counter. And let me get my plate. Put one on my plate. And we're going to do the taste. So let's see what this is like. Oh, wow. Mmm. This, my gosh. This is really good. You got to try it. You got to try this. You can taste that ranch seasoning, and you got that heat. And if you don't want that much heat, you don't have to use a hot sauce. Use something more mild, or you don't have to use it at all. But this works for me. So don't forget to like me, subscribe, and share. And come on back for another episode of Comfort Foods Kitchen next week. See you then, folks.